Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 1st of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Utilize the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 1st of August, 2024, our system has ranked VOO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.52. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will keep monitoring this evaluation to see how it develops in the coming days. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within the lower part of a weak rising trend in the short term, which often presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $497.73 be breached, it would initially signal a deceleration in the rate of increase and could also serve as an early warning sign of a potential trend reversal. Analyzing the current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 7.44% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 7.16% to 13.27%. Looking ahead to the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 31.32% over the next year, with a possible return between 24.23% and 38.16%. This implies a price range of $619.98 to $689.50 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO highlights a significant development. Evaluation of VOO ETF downgraded after the last trading session. The VOO ETF experienced a decline of 1.34% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 1st of August, 2024. The price dropped from $505.84 to $499.04. Throughout the trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 2.84%, reaching a low of $495.78 and a high of $509.88. Notably, the price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 1.75% over this period. Trading volume increased by 1 million shares on the last day, although this occurred alongside declining prices. This may serve as an early warning signal, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 6 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $3.120 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF reached $519.40, while the lowest price was $375.95. Currently, the price sits 3.92%, or $20.36, below the 52-week high of $519.40, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Today, we focus on the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, known as VOO, which has been making headlines recently. As of late July, VOO had risen by 14% and was approaching its all-time high, having attracted a remarkable $51 billion in net inflows for the year, a new calendar record. This significant investor interest reflects a robust confidence in U.S. equities, particularly as the S&P 500 index continues to perform strongly. VOO's performance also aligns with broader market trends, given that artificial intelligence-related stocks have significantly contributed to the current bull market. For investors seeking growth without sacrificing passive income, VOO remains an attractive option, especially with its low expense ratio and diversified portfolio. Despite the recent dip in the S&P 500, marking its second consecutive weekly decline. Year-to-date gains remain impressive, with the index up 16.1%. For long-term investors, entering positions at or near record highs is often considered a strategic move, particularly when backed by strong underlying earnings. In the short term, continued inflows and positive sentiment could drive VOO's price higher amidst market fluctuations. Over the long term, its historical performance, averaging an annual return of 14.4% since inception, suggests solid potential for wealth accumulation, appealing to both seasoned and novice investors alike. Given these dynamics, VOO's outlook remains positive as we move into the latter part of the year. The following signals have been identified for VOO. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The VOO exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During any upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $499 and $5.42 and $505.03. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, July 16, 2024, and so far, the price has decreased by 3.86%. Further decline is suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Yesterday, volume increased despite falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 13 days ago. Bollinger Bands showed a buy signal 6 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggests a buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 6 days ago. Upon examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average has been signaling a buy for 182 days. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has provided a buy signal for 171 days. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $498.58, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low for this stock. During the last day, the ETF experienced a movement of $14.10 between its high and low points, which is approximately 2.84%. Over the past week, the ETF has displayed a daily average volatility of 1.48%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $500.21. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a key point for swing trading considerations. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $498.58. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our assessment of this exchange-traded fund is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is VOO ETF a good buy? The VOO ETF shows several concerning indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that VOO will likely underperform over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook on this ETF. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, We have revised our assessment from a buy recommendation to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 2nd of August, we expect VOO to open at an increase of $2.53, starting trading at $501.57. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.